or so. I don't know why. Personally, I hate giving inspirational speeches. Maybe because I'm autistic and I cannot pretend. I cannot pretend to be hopeful, to feel hope in this world when I'm too heartbroken about the state of the world. Everything is falling apart. As you heard from previous speakers, everything is falling apart. The world is literally on fire. We are systematically destroying the life-supporting systems that our civilization is built upon, and we are fundamentally reprogramming what it means to be human. There are no longer words in any language to describe the slaughtering of our fellow humans, of other species, of the biosphere we depend on to survive. And there are no words to describe the war criminals who are causing this. And we know who these people are. I am all about peace and love. Trust me, but we are beyond that point now. We can no longer ask nicely to the people in charge to do what should be fucking common sense. And I think another reason why I am unable to give hopeful speeches is that people use hope as an alibi not to do anything. Hope is not something someone can give to you. Hope is something you have to create. And I cannot give you hope. Hope is something you have to do yourselves. We have to get out of our comfort zones, take action, organize, and demand action. So that's why I cannot give you a hopeful speech, because I do not feel hopeful about the state of the world. But I think we have to be adult enough to face the reality, to stare blankly into the depths of despair and realize no one is going to fix this for us. There is no intergovernmental actor that magically will fix all of our problems. It falls on us. There is no one we can call for. We have to take that responsibility. We have to go out on the streets and demand that.